Matagal na akong nakatira dito sa Tachikawa, but this is my first time to eat here in Ippudo Ramen Shop here inside the Lumine department store in Tachikawa. And since I've heard from Mama Dayan that this ramen shop is the best ramen shop that she ever been before, that was 4 years ago, the last time she ate here. So she ordered for her best ramen na natikman niya daw dito. At ako naman, napakasimple lang ang kinain ko. Pero naubos namin pareho sa sobrang sarap. At sa dami na naman na nakain ni Mama Dayan, ayan, inantok na naman siya. Until we ended up our day with this soft chocolate ice cream. So let's keep making moments with our beautiful kabadis like her. Ayan o, sarap po. Thank you for watching.